While I am supposed to be a mixed bag of both the generations, because I'm fortunate to be at the age of 33 years that I am as a CDO for the FedBank Financial Services. I have seen and interacted with both the sets of the people. So I would tell you the young generation how they are thinking that at a junior levels, like who are going to come towards the next generation of IT managers or the senior level suit versus the people who are there, because my co-partners or the other CXOs in the company are at 40, 45 years old. So I can understand how they behave as well. See, I'll try to take both the sides and tell on it. What I see is the current generation doesn't have some skills, or I would not say doesn't have, on an generic basis, majorly at majority of them will have lesser skill set compared to the current generation. What I see is the patience and long-term planning. People now, they wanted things instantly. So the patience is lagging. Their long-term planning is not good. If things happen, they try to they wanted to do the things relatively much faster and take little shortcuts to ensure and meet the targets. These sometimes the weightage the current generation gives for the long-term planning is relatively lesser. That's what I see. And second thing was the leadership skills. While the current startup culture, everything whichever is coming in, this is more of it is moving slightly from professional towards friendly environment, which is good in its own way. But yeah, we used to see like at the age of my fathers and all, there used to be leadership models and all in the companies, which is not much existent in these days. It's more of friendly culture, which is inculcating it. While I have taken on this side, the other side, what I can say was the current generation, which they can learn from the future generation, is predominantly the risk-taking ability. The current generation takes good amount of risks, be it investing from Bitcoin to anywhere. The the present generation or the past generation used to think a lot, and that is happening with time being. Efficient learnings. People are habituated to learn from the books. Now people read it over the videos and understand the concepts very clearly. They catch it up. The technologies also have catched up much faster. There are no more C, Java until people. I mean, everything is going towards the AI and ML. And the efficient learning is also a key, which the current generation has to adapt from the future generation.